what's up you guys? My name is Sam, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I figured I would get my ass up and out of bed and off the couch and in here and do some makeup because I have not looked like a human in about a month because of quarantine. And I don't do anything because of quarantine. And I'm not really complaining all that much because I'm the kind of person that if you tell me I have to stay inside and cannot leave my house, I'm completely 100% okay with that. However, on the flip side of that, I will stop being a human altogether and just kind of exist. So I figured I would put on some makeup and just kind of hang out and do my makeup and chill and then wash it off right after this video because I'm going nowhere except to my living room to play with my cats. So if you want to see the look that I create, then just keep watching. Okay, so I figured that because it's spring, even though we can't leave the house, let's do a dewy makeup look. You know what I mean? Like, let's like pretend like we can go out. So I'm gonna start off by priming my skin with 2 primers because why not? Let's be bougie. I'm gonna go in with the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And I'm just gonna take like about that much. I don't need a lot. But it's super, super hydrating on the skin. It's kind of like the, what is it, Tatcha water cream. And it's like, it's almost like a moisturizer, but it's not as thick, if that makes sense. It feels a little bit watery and a little bit lighter, but it is super hydrating. It feels amazing on the skin. And I actually really do like this water cream moisturizer. I don't even know what it is, honestly. I don't know if it's a moisturizer or, but I don't know. But I like to use it as a primer. And I kind of put it everywhere because I do have a little bit of dry skin. So I like to use it everywhere. And then in the places where my pores are showing a lot, I like to go in with the Touch in Sol No Pore Blem Primer. And I literally just put pore filling primers like this in my T-zone area. I just burped. So I pretty much just put it right up in this area. In the nose, right here, a little bit on the chin. But that's like where I notice like I have bigger pores and like my makeup tends to like come off quicker. So I like to put like a real pore filling primer in that area. All right, let's move on. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Becca Glow Glaze Stick. I actually really, really love this thing. And because I'm putting it on underneath my foundation, I'm gonna go kind of ham with it. And I'm just gonna put it everywhere that I would normally highlight. I'm gonna put an actual highlight on, but I like to put this on underneath my foundation because it kind of adds like a glow from within. So you don't need to be so precise with it. We're gonna use a beauty blender to like push it into the skin. But I like to put this everywhere I would normally highlight. And then we're just gonna take a beauty blender and just kind of do a little bit of that. You know? I feel like quarantine has made me crazy. I don't know. Oh, quarantine. Next, I'm gonna go in with my foundation. And for today, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the Dewy formula, which I freaking love this foundation. It is really, really nice. The coverage is nice and the finish is beautiful. And I am going to actually put it on the back of my hand because if I put it on my face, I can be super heavy-handed with it. And to prevent that, because I'm a smart girl, I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand and then dip my beauty blender in and go in. So what are you doing for self-isolate? Like, what are you doing? Like, what activities? I go on like Instagram and like TikTok and whatever, and I see all these people are like, oh, I'm painting. Like, everybody's fucking Picasso now because of quarantine and like everyone's painting, everyone's getting in touch with like their artistic side and they're like fucking writing books and shit, and I'm over here like I think I've literally watched everything on Netflix. Like I don't know how to find motivation to do anything. Like the most creative thing I do is my makeup, and let's be honest, I'm probably not gonna do any crazy makeup look right now. I mean, like the craziest thing I've done so far was put a highlight underneath my foundation. Like I don't understand where these people are getting like all artsy and shit out of nowhere. Like you people have these hidden talents. You're fucking painting, you're writing books, you're like building shit in your backyard. I don't understand. Also, I'm alone all day long, like because my girlfriend's an essential worker, so she's out. I mean, I can't really put quotes because like what she does is essential. I'm not gonna say what her job is, but she's essential. So I'm pretty much home all day long by myself, and I've become like a quarantine housewife. So I have to like fucking cook and shit and clean the house and do all the things I hate doing. Hello?
Hey, what do you want to eat?
I don't know, I'm gonna order dinner, so you tell me what you want.
Oh, okay. Alright, so I'll look at
Okay, let me know.
Alright, bye.
Alright, love you, bye. I didn't cook today. I didn't do my housewifely duties. I was like, fuck that. I've cooked enough this week. We're gonna order in. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with my Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. And I'm only gonna use that underneath my eyes. Usually I use concealer on my lid as well, but I'm gonna use a different concealer for that. Ooh, you know what else I've been like super addicted to? Not making, just watching TikTok. That shit is addicting. And like, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna make a TikTok. I'm gonna get on this and I'm gonna make a TikTok, and I never do. It'll happen one day before quarantine is over, I promise you. But it is like, I could be on that app for hours. It's ridiculous. I really, really think my girlfriend needs a TikTok. Like, she needs it. She needs to get TikTok right now. I keep telling her that she needs a TikTok. TikTok has made me realize that I'm no longer the youngest generation. Like, I'm a millennial, and now I realize that there's 2 generations after me. So now I'm old. Like, I don't know how I feel about that, but I don't like it. Like, I realized, like, TikTok made me realize I'm old, you know? Like, I'm fucking old, man. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes only with the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Next, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Lightening Bronzer. I absolutely freaking love this bronzer. And I'm just gonna go in with this brush and bronze the face. For blush, I'm gonna go in with my Show Me Your Cheeks blush by Elizabeth Mott, and I have the color Soft Pink. I actually used this, I think, in one of my last videos, and I actually really, really loved this blush. It was so pretty. I'm gonna do my brows off camera, but I will tell you what I'm using. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso, and I'm gonna go over it with the Ebony Brow Powder Duo by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so brows are on, and now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm gonna use that to prime my lids. And I'm just gonna put like the smallest little amount and then blend that out with a beauty blender. Okay, so I live on the 4th floor and I can literally hear Monica talking outside. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the eyes, and I'm gonna do what I usually always do, which is show you what I'm using, like show you the palette, show you the colors, and I'll show you the brush, and I'll apply it and kind of speed through this, add some music, you know the drill. That's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be a really simple, quick, easy eye look. I'm gonna use maybe 2-3 colors max. So yeah, let's get started.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. Said we could meet it when it's that. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now.
Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and I'm gonna use the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara, and I'm also going to use the Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I'm just gonna speed through this also. I think my camera turned off, I don't know if it did or not, but I went in and I highlighted with my Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. And now I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. So I'm gonna line my lips with the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 3C.
You said you want me when it's that.
And then I'm gonna fill it in with the color Meringue from Bite Beauty. And then with the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in Champagne Glam, I'm gonna top that off. And then to set everything, I'm gonna use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm gonna use 2 setting sprays today. I'm gonna use this one just to set everything. And then I'm gonna use the Coverfx Illuminating Setting Spray. Not so much as like a setting spray to set everything, but more to add some radiance and dewiness. Okay, that is it. This is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I've been putting out videos every Monday and Friday since I've been in quarantine, and there's really nothing else to do. And I haven't developed any other skills since then. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!